Okay. All right. All right. So, um, as a team member, did anyone pull James to the side and just try to help him along the way, or maybe he was distracted, or maybe he didn't understand his job? Okay. Well, I'll be sure to talk to James and I'll see what's going on and I'll get to the bottom of it. And if you have any more concerns, please feel free to come to me and talk to me. Thank you. Hi, James. How are you today? That's good. Is everything going all right with you? Do you have anything personally going on or anything, or everything is good? Okay, well, I just brought you in today because there's been some concern from your teammates that maybe you were distracted or you weren't able to hold your load as was expected of you. So I just wanted to come in and talk to you and make sure you see if there's anything I can do to help you do your job. Do you feel like you have the tools that are needed to perform your job successfully? You do? Okay, well, um, I just wanted to talk to you and just tell you, that there has been some concern and it's been brought to my attention. And I just wanted to let you know that there's an open door policy here. You can come to me, you can talk to me about anything. If it's something you feel that we can do better on our end, or if you need help with something, or whatever the case may be, um, I just wanted you to know that you can come and talk to us. And I wanted to make sure that everything was going okay with you and that you had the tools that are needed to successfully do your job. Okay. All right. Well, I'm happy that everything is going well with you personally, and we really appreciate your service, and we really think that you're a great team player, but we just thought that, okay. Well, if you feel like there's something I can help you with, feel free. Okay. Have a good day.